Wonder what it's like traveling now to Mexico's Isla Mujeres? Is it quieter or even empty because of... In this video, I invite you to come on a walk with me around downtown Isla Mujeres, and we'll end at the beach for sunset, and you'll get to see what it's like right now. It's a beautiful Monday afternoon, and there are many people here arriving or leaving by boat. This is one of the main boat docks, not too far from the ferry terminal. So now we're on the main street right by the ferry, and this is one of the two busiest streets on the island. Around here you can find shopping, you can find beachside restaurants. Really, all the action is here in downtown Isla Mujeres.
Hola, español, English.
And another popular thing is you see these golf carts. People rent golf carts or motorcycles and they take them around the island. Gracias. Perfect. I'm gonna grab this seat right here by the water. Oh, cute! Look at the little swings in the water.